Okay, second part. Now we are doing the drive test of the system. The first step is we need to turn on the low voltage. The low voltage. This is the low voltage switch, and the lead battery connect to the low voltage system. First step, I need to turn on the low voltage. The low voltage is on. And second step, turn on the ignition kit. We can see the dashboard is showing all the message. And everything is normal, and there's no failure information in the system. So first step and the second step, go to high voltage. Step on the brake pedal. Switch the ignition key to start, and we can see the dashboard showing ready. At the same time, we can open our VCU host software. We can also see all the information in the software interface. And system information, we can see it's ready and no failure code. Okay, and now we step on the brake pedal and switch to D gear. We can see in the dashboard in our software it shows D, and we also see the light. This is the brake light. The brake light is on, and I released the handbrake. Okay, and slowly I step on the accelerator. Also, we can see in the screen, in TV screen, on the PC software, in the host software, also can see the speed and the current consumption of the battery system. And the forward gear is normal. Then when the motor slowly down, we step on the brake pedal again, and we go to neutral first, to neutral gear, and then we go to reverse gear. We can see when the reverse gear is on, the reverse light is also on. This is the reverse light, and this is the brake light. And slowly step on the accelerator. And we can see the motor is going to other direction. We call it anti-clockwise. This is in this direction is reverse direction, and this direction is the forward direction. This now is in reverse direction. Okay, we can see the reverse gear is also working fine, and then we go to neutral gear, and we pull up the handbrake, and also at the same time we can see how if our DC is working. Come here, Jessica. Come here, and we can see the DC now is charging the lead battery. You can see now it's 2 amps. It's charging the battery. The battery is almost full, so the charging current is 2 amps. The current is going from high voltage to the integrated controller, and the DC module will convert the high voltage 300. This battery is 377 volt to 12 volt to the lead battery to charge the lead battery. Also now we can test the vacuum booster system. We can see that this is the meter of the brake system. We have a vacuum meter. Now I press the brake pedal. We can see the meters. The vacuum level will drop. Okay, when it drops to 7 level, when it drops to 7 level, we can hear the sound of the vacuum pump is working, and when the vacuum level of the tank go to certain level, it will stop automatically. And this is the controller. This is the controller of the vacuum pump.